Welcome to our channel Around the World with Du Mumtaz. Today we are going to visit Havasu Falls near Peach Springs City, Arizona, United States of America. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. Havasu Falls is a waterfall of Havasu Creek, located in the Grand Canyon, Arizona, United States. It is within Havasupai tribal lands. Havasu Falls is located 2.4 kilometers from Supai. It is the more famous and most visited of the various falls along Havasu Creek. It consists of one main chute that drops over a 90 to 100 foot vertical cliff into a series of plunge pools. High calcium carbonate concentration in the water creates the vivid blue-green color and forms the natural travertine dams that occur in various places near the falls. Due to the effects of flash floods, the appearance of Havasu Falls and its plunge pools has changed many times. Prior to the flood of 1910, water flowed in a near-continuous sheet, and was known as Bridal Veil Falls. The notch through which water flows first appeared in 1910, and has changed several times since. Water currently flows as one stream. In the past, there were sometimes multiple streams, or a continuous flow over the edge. There are many picnic tables on the opposite side of the creek, and it is easy to cross over by following the edges of the pools. It is possible to swim behind the falls and enter a small rock shelter behind it. However, drownings have occurred. From the trailhead parking lot until the Supai village, there is no access to drinking water. Hikers are advised to bring their own water with them. In the town of Supai, there is a general store and cafe where food and beverage can be purchased. The hike from Havasupai Hilltop to the lodge and tourist office in Supai is 8 miles. There is an additional hike of 2 miles to the falls and campground. A campground is located nearby. Visitors are required to reserve permits prior to their travel to the Havasupai Indian Reservation. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video, and we'll explore Phoenix, Arizona, United States of America.